It's a 2012 Buick Verano. Everything you dreamed a drive could be is packed into this Verano. It comes with great features you'll love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive was wowed by the Verano, noting cornering, transmission, suspension, and engine all aces. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.